Hi guys, what's up? It's me again. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a new haul video. Rami was nice enough to send me some items, and you guys, I'm literally in love with everything. Like, I have something on that they sent me, but it's under my batita, so I'm not gonna show that yet until like the progression of the video. But yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys what they sent me. It's a bunch of cute dolly stuff and yeah, some new, kind of style things, but yeah. Y pues estoy muy emocionada porque es algo como nuevo, a little bit. Yeah, and I have two dresses that I'm gonna show you guys too, included in this haul. I did my makeup a tiny bit different today, as you can see, and I have my big contacts on. Oh, I completely forgot, you guys. I cut my hair. I know it's different, and I know a lot of you were kind of like probably disappointed or whatever, but I couldn't be happier, you guys, because my hair was completely fried, you guys. I have not been taking care of my hair at all. So I just decided to, like, you know what, let's just go cut my hair, cut all the orange parts of it off because I was sick of it, you guys. But in the end, I'm really glad with how it came out because I just feel so much lighter, and yeah, it's all just one color now, so I'm pretty happy about that. And yeah, I can't wait to show you guys how I'm gonna style my hair. It's in layers actually, so I can style it in a lot of ways actually. But yeah, I'm gonna let it grow again. I'm not gonna cut it anymore. I just really wanted it to be healthy again, and yeah, that's what I got. My hair is healthy again. I'm excited. Let's just get into the video, you guys. I'm gonna be showing you a try on, so you guys enjoy the video y todo el pedo, ya saben. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Solo te llamaba para decirte lo mucho que te quiero. No me esperas que me contestaras, mi amor, te ruego. No me cuelgues sin decirme lo que sientes por dentro. Yo también te extraño. Hace tiempo que no te veo, acaricia tu piel lo que quiero, manejando por las calles, paso tu casa para ver si sales, te bloqueas de nuevo y veo, yo soy la única que quiere tu cuerpo, vamos a arreglar esto, empezar de nuevo, te juro que no es el alcohol que está hablando, sincero que yo sí te extraño, aquí te fallé, no sé, tal vez no me quieras ver. Perdóname, quisiera cero be your favorite again. Don't tell me to stop, it's you that I want. Glad you answered my call. No me cuelgues todavía, baby. Escuchar tu voz de nuevo, me vuelve loca y no puedo concentrarme en la conversación, ganas de darte un beso, parecías entenderte aquí, me hace mucho daño, baby, 3 de la mañana, súper borracha, para seguir llegar con tu mamá, convencerla que vuelva, aunque no quiera, vuelve a mí, te haré feliz. Todas las mañanas quiero levantarme a ti, negarte y sería error grande, baby. No me dejes ir, negarte y sería error grande, baby. Solo te llamo